Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, welcome back. Today I will be working on view B of McCalls 8351. This is not a tutorial. This is pretty much the only talking I will have in this video. This is just me going through the process of sewing the top. It took me a little longer than I thought it would. I planned to sew the top and the pants in the same day, but that did not happen. So I'm showing you the top, which is pretty cute. So I did view B with the hood. I always stray away from the instructions when I do hoods, but because I don't like drawstrings. This doesn't have a drawstring, but I do think it has bias tape around the neck line, but I didn't add the bias tape. But that's pretty much the only time I stray away from the instructions. Very easy make. Very easy make. It wasn't difficult at all to make this top. So let me show you what it looks like, because probably at the end of the video, I'll probably just end the video, but just want to show it to you really quick so you can see how it turned out. I will take pictures once I finish the pants. I'll do the pants in a separate video, but I'll take pictures once I finish the pants and the entire outfit. But I'm going to show you what the top looks like on my dress form. Please excuse my mess in the background, but here is the top on my dress form. I may have to turn my camera the other way so you can see it a little bit better. But I used a burgundy and a cream fabric, and it turned out really nicely. I really like it. I have so much mess in my background, sorry. But this is the top. I really like how the top turned out. It has the front pocket here, and then it has the contrasting cream on the side. I got my hood. Y'all know I love a good hood. And here's the contrasting cream on the other side. I can't wait to finish the pants so I can take a full picture in this. All right, guys, so that is it. Just wanted to show you the top so you can see what it looks like, but I'm going to go ahead and play the video. Like I said, this is not a tutorial. I'm not talking, I'm not doing anything. Just putting together the top. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video after this video ends.